students. Now let us see the next theory topic regarding projectile motion. It is the maximum height of projectile. Important. The question can be asked like this one: derive an equation of maximum height of a projectile. You can see in this diagram, this one is said to be maximum height. As it is in vertical direction, you can see it is a y coordinate of a projectile motion at this moment. So what is maximum height? The equation of maximum height obtained by the projectile can be obtained by putting time t is equal to tm in order to reach to such a point. The time taken by the projectile is a maximum time of maximum height, and time of maximum height, that is t is equal to tm. In which equation? In equation of y coordinate of a projectile. And we know this y coordinate is y equal to v0 sin theta 0 into t minus 1 half gt square. Substituting t equal to tm, this is v0 sin theta 0 into tm minus 1 half gtm square. Equation of tm was v0 sin theta 0 upon g. Substituting here and simplifying, so this is v0 square sin square theta 0 upon g minus 1 by 2 g into, this is v0 square sin square theta 0 upon g. From these two terms, v0 square sin square theta 0 upon g is common. From the first one, 1, and from the second is 1 by 2, so 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, that means 2 is multiplied in this denominator with this g. So this implies final equation is capital H equal to v0 square sin square theta 0 upon twice g, and it is the equation of maximum height. And this maximum height attained by the projectile is always be at time t is equal to tm. And we know very well which will be the time taken by the projectile to reach from ground to the maximum height. Same with the time is taken by the projectile to come from maximum height to the ground. And that total time of flight is tf, and it is equal to 2 times of tm. And that's we have to now use in this equation. The distance from this origin to the last point at which its y coordinate is 0. So here x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. At such a point P, x coordinate is not 0, but x coordinate equal to distance from O to B. And this distance from O to B is x coordinate. Now it is known as a range of projectile. And here you see at point B, the y coordinate will be 0, and we have to make the use of this concept in the next topic, and it is the derivation of horizontal range of a projectile. Again, this is important. The question can be asked like this one: derive an equation of horizontal range, or it is simply range of projectile. So how will you obtain this? The horizontal range is nothing but the horizontal distance travelled by the projectile from its initial position. So this initial position x equal to 0, y equal to 0 to the position, कौन सी position ये, where it passes through y equal to 0 during its fall is called the horizontal range. So here we have to measure the distance from O to B, that is x coordinate, and of the point B, and it is known as range of projectile. So it is the distance travelled during the time of flight, tf. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने के लिए total time कितना लगेगा, tf, and tf equal to what? 2 times of tm. That we have to use. So putting x equal to capital R and t equal to tf in the equation of x coordinate, and we know that equation of x coordinate is x equal to क्या था, v0 cos theta 0 into t. So here we have to put t is equal to tf and x equal to r. So r equal to v0 cos theta 0 into tf. Substituting tf equal to 2 times v0 sin theta 0 upon g. So capital R equal to v0 into v0 square 2 times sin theta 0 cos theta 0. And this is trigonometric formula: 2 sin theta cos theta equal to sin 2 theta. Therefore, this capital R equal to v0 square sin 2 theta 0 upon g. So from this equation you can see g is constant. So this range of projectile depends on what? So this range of projectile depends on initial velocity of projectile and angle of projection. With how much angle the projectile have been thrown, and with how much velocity the object have been thrown. So that depending on initial velocity and angle of projection, you can determine the capital R by using the formula R V0 square sine 2 theta 0 upon G. Now we know sine 90 degree equal to 1 and it is maximum value in mathematics. So if we take 2 theta 0 equal to 90 degree, it means theta 0 equal to कितना 45 डिग्री. ये y एक्सिस ये x एक्सिस बराबर एग्जैक्टली इसके बीच में 45 डिग्री एंगल बनाती हुई डायरेक्शन में अगर ऑब्जेक्ट को थ्रो करते हैं तो आपको क्या मिलेगी? दिस डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम O to D विल बी मैक्सिमम वन. दैट मींस यू विल गेट मैक्सिमम रेंज ऑफ प्रोजेक्टाइल. तो इफ 2 theta 0 equal to 90 degree means theta 0 equal to 45 degree, then we get maximum range of projectile. Therefore sin 90 being 1, we get maximum range की formula R max equal to V0 square upon G. So this maximum range when your word is used, then automatically you understand the angle of projection theta 0 is given indirectly and it is 45 degree. And this maximum range is given by V0 square upon G. So this G is constant 9.8, V0 is initial velocity, so maximum range depends on what? So maximum range depends only on initial velocity with which the object have been projected. But range depends on V0 and theta 0 and R max depends only on V0. Now let us see the two examples related with this topic of projectile motion. Example number 4.7. As I have written, Galileo in his book, कौन सी बुक? गैलीलियो ने लिखी हुई टू न्यू साइंसेस, स्टेटेड दैट, क्या बताया है? फॉर एलिवेशंस व्हिच एक्सीड्स और फॉल शॉर्ट ऑफ 45 डिग्री. एलिवेशंस वो कि जो 45 डिग्री से कुछ ज्यादा है या 45 डिग्री से कुछ कम एंगल का है, तो वो एलिवेशंस. फॉर एलिवेशंस व्हिच एक्सीड्स और फॉल शॉर्ट ऑफ 45 डिग्री by equal amount, the range are equal. Through this statement, so what does it want to say? Here x-axis, y-axis, this direction shows 45 degree. तो 45 डिग्री से कम या 45 डिग्री से ज्यादा इक्वल अमाउंट का एंगल से अगर प्रोजेक्टाइल थ्रो करते हैं तो दोनों केसेस में distance traveled or horizontal distance traveled or range will be equal. So here I am considering with respect to this 45 degree one less angle and it is less by alpha. So this is one angle is 45 degree minus alpha. Another by the same value से ज़्यादा, तो next angle is 45 degree plus alpha. As for example, अगर मैं ये alpha equal to 25 degree लेता हूँ तो 45 minus 25 angle is 20, 45 plus 20, sorry 25 angle is 75. यानी कि एक बार प्रोजेक्टाइल को आप 20 डिग्री पे थ्रो करते हैं, दूसरी बार वही प्रोजेक्टाइल को 70 डिग्री से थ्रो करते हैं, तो दोनों केस में ये हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस सेम अमाउंट इक्वल अमाउंट का मिलेगा. अगर 45 डिग्री के बदले में 5 डिग्री कम एंड 5 डिग्री ज्यादा, तो 5 डिग्री कम मतलब 40 डिग्री से, 5 डिग्री ज्यादा मतलब 50 डिग्री से. एक बार 40 डिग्री से थ्रो करो, दूसरी बार और 50 डिग्री से थ्रो करो, तो आपको रेंज कैसी मिलेगी? इक्वल. इन शॉर्ट सम ऑफ दिस टू एंगल मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. इन शॉर्ट आपको याद रखने का, ऐसे दो एंगल जिसका सम 90 डिग्री होता है और इस तरह के दो डिफरेंट एंगल ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन पे प्रोजेक्टाइल को थ्रो करते हैं तो डिस्टेंस यानी कि हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस यानी कि रेंज की वैल्यू दोनों केस में सेम मिलेगी. वो आपको प्रूव करना है. यहाँ पे मान लो मैंने 30 डिग्री लिया एक एंगल, यानी कि 45 में से 15 कम तो 30, 15 ज्यादा तो 60. तो यहाँ पे अगर 30 डिग्री से थ्रो करते, दोबारा यहाँ से 60 डिग्री से थ्रो करते, तो आपको रेंज कैसी मिलेगी? इक्वल मिलेगी. अब वो आपको प्रूव करनी है, तो कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? फॉर प्रोजेक्टाइल लॉन्च एट एन एंगल थीटा 0 एंड विथ वेलोसिटी v0, रेंज इज गिवन बाय r इक्वल टू v0 स्क्वायर sin 2 theta 0 upon g. Now for new angle of projection, one angle is 45 degree plus alpha, second angle is 45 degree minus alpha. We get two ranges R1 and R2. तो पहले हम R1 कैलकुलेट करते by taking the angle of projection 45 degree plus alpha. तो V0 square sin 2 theta 0 की जगह 45 degree plus alpha. 2 को अंदर लेंगे तो 90 degree plus 2 alpha. and sin 90 plus 2 alpha equal to cos 2 alpha. Conversion function is there. तो this is v0 square cos 2 alpha upon g. तो ये है R1 की फॉर्मूला. Now at the same time you are consider another angle of projection 45 degree minus alpha. तो R2 equal to v0 square sin 2 45 degree minus alpha. 2 को अंदर लीजिए तो v0 square sin 90 degree minus 2 alpha. तो again this is a conversion function, sin converting into cos. तो v0 square cos 2 alpha upon g. R1 and R2 दोनों की इक्वेशन सेम है. So from results 1 and 2 we get R1 equal to R2. That has been proved. Then we see the next example. Example number 4.9. I will read it from the textbook and then we will solve it. The example number 4.9. It is on the page number 79 in your textbook. As it is given, a cricket ball is thrown at a speed of 28 meter per second. So initial velocity is 28 meter per second in a direction 30 degree above the horizontal. Angle of projection is 30 degree. Then calculate A, the maximum height. Maximum height calculate करना है. B part, the time taken by the ball to return to the same position, return to the same level. यहाँ से आप इस तरह से थ्रो करेंगे, रिटर्न टू द सेम लेवल ग्राउंड पे आएगा. यहाँ से थ्रो किया, यहाँ पे वापस आएगा, तो यहाँ पे वापस आएगा. तो इसके लिए टाइम कौन सा होता है? टोटल टाइम ऑफ फ्लाइट. ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. एंड सी पार्ट, the distance from the thrower to the point where the ball returns to the same level. यहाँ से बॉल को थ्रो किया, यहाँ पे वापस आया, तो ये डिस्टेंस यानी कि you have to calculate range R. तो you have to calculate 3 points. First is maximum height, second is total time of flight and third is R. तीनों की अलग अलग फॉर्मूला है. आप पुट करें एंड कैलकुलेट करें. तो मैक्सिमम हाइट कैपिटल H is v0 square sin square theta 0 upon 2g. तो v0 की वैल्यू 28 square sin square 30 degree upon 2 into 9.8. Now we know sin 30 is 1/2. तो ये 1/2 दो बार आएगा तो 28 into 20 multiply by 1/2 becoming 14 into 40 और ये होगा 19.6. तो 14 196 upon 19.6. तो आपको आंसर मिलेगा 10.0 मीटर. तो दिस मैक्सिमम हाइट लाइक दिस वन विल बी 10 मीटर. सेकंड वन, the time taken to return to the same level is the time of flight, and this time of flight is given by 2 times v0 sin theta 0 upon g. So 2 into 28 multiplied by sin 30 upon 9.8. sin 30 की वैल्यू फिर से 1/2, ये 2 यहाँ से कैंसिल. तो आपको 28 upon 9.8 and it is 2.857 सेकंड. Its round of figure is 2.9 second. Then third one, the distance from the thrower to the point where the ball returns to the same level is nothing but the horizontal range. And range R की formula v0 square sin 2 theta 0 upon g. So 28 square into sin 2 theta 0, 2 into 30 but becoming sin 60 upon 9.8. तो 28 square मतलब 28 multiplied by 28. sin 60 is √3/2 upon 9.8. तो एक 20 upon 2 ले लीजिए, 14 हो गया. 28 multiplied by 40 and √3 की वैल्यू we remember 1.732. तो 1.732 upon 9.8. कैल्शियम कैलकुलेटर यूज करें, you will get the answer is 69.28 मीटर. ओके, तो आपको ये सब कुछ वीडियो पॉज करके अपनी नोटबुक में अच्छी तरह से लिखना है, क्योंकि मैं भी लिखने के पीछे ज्यादा मेहनत करता हूँ. अच्छी आपको क्वालिटी की नोट मिले इसके लिए.